So guys, the LG Velvet marks the end of an era for LG as the firm ditches the G series branding and opts for upper mid-range specs in many ways. But it still delivers 5G connectivity that's quickly becoming commonplace globally. The LG Velvet is powered by the Snapdragon 765G chipset. The phone has a flagship price and a mid-range chipset, and the company has not denied the fact that it is oriented more towards providing the users with great looks. Nevertheless, LG appears to be working on launching the 4G counterpart of its LG Velvet smartphone pretty soon. Now we have supported the LG Velvet 4G on the Geekbench database website and Toranji, an Iranian website that claims to have received a 4G version of the LG Velvet. As per a report, the LG Velvet 4G smartphone live images have been leaked online with model number LMG910. The images reveal that the smartphone will come with the similar design language as seen in the 5G version of the LG Velvet. The images show that the smartphone will come with the water drop rear camera module, and it will be available in Aurora White, Grey, Green and Illusion Sunset colors. The LG Velvet 4G is powered by the Snapdragon 845, a 2-year-old flagship chipset. This was before the time of 5G of course, so that functionality is lost. The rest seems to be the same, including the 6GB of RAM and 128GB UFS 2.1 storage. Connectivity aside, the Snapdragon 845 has a significantly faster GPU, while the CPU performance is comparable to the Snapdragon 765. Of course, the older chip may have an impact on software updates in the future. Furthermore, GSMArena has confirmed that Anatel, the Brazilian wireless regulator, has certified the LMG9102. Hence, the release of the LMG910 may well extend beyond the Middle East. Toranji claims that the LG Velvet 4G will be around 20% cheaper than its 5G sibling. LG sells the 5G model for 899,800 Korean won, which equates to around $735. Would a price tag of under $600 make the LG Velvet more appealing to you, even if it came with a 2-year-old chipset? So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.